John Paul Baluyot. So here in Capiz River, also known as Digos City River. Digos River played a significant role in history of Digos. Digos was once part of the Sultanate of Maguindanao. During the 1800s, it was under the influence of Dato Bagong, a Maguindanaon Dato who led the resistance in Davao region against the Spanish Empire.
Digos in later years, before its invention into a city, was regarded as long as capital town of the province of Davao del Sur. Long before, it gained the status of first-class municipality in 1993. Being center of the trade, commerce and education, occurring to its upstream location as the cross point of two principal thoroughfares into the south.
So, let's protect our historical monuments because they are tangible links to our past, offering insights into cultural heritage, identify, and historical events. Thank you.